At Adapy, we recognize that every installation and configuration is unique. We understand the diverse needs of your customers and the importance of tailoring our products to fit those specific requirements. As experts in cutting-edge technology, we're not just about providing advanced solutions. We're about making those solutions work for you and your customers in the most effective way possible. That's why we're eager to discuss your specific needs, ensuring that every product is personalized to your installation requirements. Ordering from Adapy couldn't be simpler. Whether you prefer navigating through our easy-to-use website at adapy.com, calling our toll-free number, or sending us an email with your request, we're here to accommodate you. Once we understand your needs, we'll provide you with a detailed quote and invoice. And for your convenience, all payments can be made online, seamlessly integrating into your busy schedule. Our commitment goes beyond just supplying advanced products. Our goal is to blend old-fashioned support with cutting-edge technology, ensuring that you receive the best of both worlds. At Adapy, we're dedicated to your success, providing personalized solutions and the support you need to excel.